Hiya guys, welcome to day 15 of Waxvent.
That's the strangest wave I've ever done. I think I've never done one of them before. Hi everyone.
So this is my patient this time, relatively short one again. So you can see we've got these really deep plugs of wax and skin, hair, a bit of everything kind of mixed in amongst this one. But coming out suspiciously really well.
Yeah.
So far. It's usually a bit of a nightmare, these ones, to
But when they're narrow canals like that.
Yeah, when they're quite narrow like this. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. Am I actually going on to?
You haven't gone?
Oh, I got a snowman again. So there we are, so looking nice and healthy there. That's all looking absolutely fab. Exactly the same problem on this side. Very, very similar. Standard size ulnar tube. We're gonna get a grip on this bottom section of the plug, again, to try and lift it. And if it doesn't lift fully, we're going to try and turn it. But we've got a good grip. You can see how much oil has gone in here. This is all that kind of, the ear canal is quite soft, quite wet. But we're having a little bit of difficulty actually moving this from around the corner. So we've got we've got a little bit of a leading edge here. A good one to get a good grip on if I can. Here we go. Gently, don't break it, hey.
It's going oh.
Patient like
CLMTG, come on now.
No, come on.
Nearly there.
Yeah, just gonna try and
mixing the angle
up. I'm like this trying to get the right angle.
Like a pretzel.
Yeah, it's kind of upside down at this point. Just kind of broke away. There we are. We should get a good grip here. Now this should come away.
There'll be a collective cheer now from the Waxvent audience when this comes away.
Hey!
Hey, there you go. Ooh, look at that piece.
Look at that bit. This is actually a fine end. This is how narrow this ear canal looks. It looked like the standard suit.
Yeah, it did, didn't it, going in there? Was that the wells like? Ooh, that was was that fibres? Was hanging on to?
I think so. Yeah. So the patient has admitted to using some cotton buds, but as soon as they blocked up, it stopped using them altogether. But yeah, we've got just over 2.5 or just under 3 centimeters, I would say there.
That's an inch of wax and skin there, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching day 15 of Waxvent. You're in your final 10 days to Christmas now, guys. I hope you've all been good boys and girls this year. Let's hope so. You don't end up with wax in your stockings, do you? Thank you.
We'll be there. We put wax in your stockings.
I'll be lifting Taylor up onto the roof like this. Taylor will be shimmying down your chimney.
Lowering me down with a rope.
Those people are going to be naughty now, just on the appearance of the TLMTG.
Pull me up, there's a dog, pull me up.
Right, guys, thank you very much for watching our videos again today. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can always consider becoming members of the channel as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you again for day 16 of Waxvent.
Yay.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.